Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my EXCECAR jump starter. Honestly, this is like a must-have to have in every one of your vehicles. So I'm gonna go to just give you a quick run to what you get. So here's the actual jump starter. So like this is like why you need to have one, is like you don't have to be asking somebody for a jump starter, try to get cars so close together. Like this bad boy. Look at the size of the screen. I'm gonna get a little closer. Bam! And it also comes with a flashlight, so if you're in the dark, you're able to see exactly what you're hooking up. The other cool feature that I liked, if you unplug and take this part off right here, it also has, check it out, if you want to charge your phone, tablet, whatever in the meantime, you have a charger right then and there. And then you also get the Type-C charger, which I love. You get a fast Type-C charger to keep it charged at all times in your vehicle. And last but not least, the actual extension for it. So I'll put this stuff down. So then all you have to do is on this top piece right here, lift it up, and then plug this in. There you go, you got yourself a green light. Probably don't want to keep those too close together. Hook these up to both the corresponding ones and literally fire up your car. And that's it, and then you're done. And just safely unplug this and put it all away and you're good to go. It comes with that carrying case, keeps everything nice and neat, nice and safe. So again, if you're looking for a good car jump starter, this is one that I highly recommend. 10 out of 10.